Yeah, but you haven't responded to any of it, so it's perfect.
Let's see. Yeah, so if anyone is wondering what video Dirk and I are chatting about, if you go to data.oceannetworks.ca/ctube, and on the link tree on the side, if you navigate to Pacific, Northeast Pacific Ocean, Endeavour, main Endeavour field, Temple Mini, and find today's date, you'll see the live video from the newly deployed Temple Mini camera.
And if you were watching yesterday, that was the camera we put kind of on that cliff's edge on the piece of grating at the main Endeavour field.
It looked very precarious.
It's kind of the cool thing about the cameras. You do the work and it's like a 12-hour shift of frustration and figuring things out, and then you instantly get the result. Let's just look at this.
Yep.
Everything else is a little less tangible in my mind. I don't know.
Delayed versus instantaneous gratification.
Yeah.
That's really cool. On the Zoom In feed, which I'll share the link to on our social media sometime in the next few days.
We're really doing some heading changes there.
There was some really cool scale worms and snails in there.
Oh, did you just check it out?
I just did.
Oh, yeah.
Screen grab. Thanks, Greg, on shore.
Chasing the current ghost.
There's also sea spiders on this cluster too, and bacterial mats.
He's also saying Temple Mini is Ifremer's special camera, smooth.
It's
We've been doing a lot of north heading.
smooth like butter.
So it's not subsea and it's not an axis camera.
All right, we've seen enough of the porch. Maybe we'll turn that down light off again.
Thanks for giving us that view.
Exciting stuff. Here we go. Here's the top of the toolbox. You can see it being dark. Whoop. And there we go.
Okay. Don saying running tide is a subsea.
Awesome, thank you.
Running
One
tide's
cam.
Just let me know when the captain comes on the bridge.
All right, order's been restored. Now everyone knows.
Thank you.
Thanks to all the ONC staff on shore for supporting us.
Coming up with a wrap in the 6-8.
Do we want to pass that on to bridge or to deck?
Tether wraps we care about, or tether
kind
wraps
of a
they will notice.
Good
6-8
example of
wraps,
how
they will
wrong
notice.
information inspires right information. You say
We've seen
something
the-
that's wrong and
We've seen the
all of a
daisy
sudden
chain
everyone's
go
wiser
down
for
the
it.
tether. If we come up with a tether wrap, when we separate the lift line from the tether, it'll actually be twisted around the tether.
Right.
So that's why one of the reasons we care a lot about tether wraps, especially on recovery, is the deck has to do different operations for a tether wrap. But they don't have any different operations for 6-8.
Copy.
That's just for our own in-house knowledge.
There might be a way to get the camera view a little bit easier on our website, because we have it embedded on a page on our website. Some of the cameras.
Okay. Is it on there already?
I'm checking right now. It's just less clicks to get to what you want.
For me personally, that's still the easiest way, is those kind of trees on the side.
But the downside to that, you have to know ONC infrastructure before you can navigate that efficiently.
Yeah.
Speaking from someone who tried to learn it in her first month of working at ONC.
Yeah, okay. I can understand that.
Yeah. Yeah, so on oceannetworks.ca, if you navigate on the menu to multimedia live cameras, we have a selection of
What I
live
was looking at that.
feeds. Let's see if that is up here.
This seems high. 44s. Do we log that data?
I believe we are now, yeah.
We see, interesting to see that.
Oh,
I think you can bring it up.
Oh yeah, I really want to clean the whiskers on the winch. Said I was going to do that last time and didn't. Other things came up.
I think you can bring other, history logs.
Right, okay.
Just not sure which one to click, so I'm not going to click it now.
Yeah. So, yeah, okay. That
Josh,
stuff's-
on
Go ahead.
Josh, on your screen, on the top left screen there, around here, there's something kind of that screen, but in the, can you look on your top left? What's that little bit? That's been going on for a while. That little bit of trace there.
The dust?
Yeah, is it just dust?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay. It's been very consistent.
Copy, ship moving at 0.5 knots. We are at 159 meters. We do have dangly bits on the porch, I have heard. And are you guys going to be staying hot while we recover?
The answer is there's no dangly unless they fall, but we're not going to be staying hot.
Alright, there is no dangly on the porch.
But
Copy, no danglies and no hot.
just the potential that they might become dangly if, like you said, if things shift. Why is that red? That doesn't seem like a red value. It seems like a green value. Seems like exactly what you want. 110 to 120.
Did you get to the bottom of that?
Is the thing.
It's
Yeah,
on the website?
It's on the website.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's on oceannetworks.ca. If you go to multimedia in our menu and hit live camera, scroll to the very bottom, the last feed on this page is the Temple Mini camera. Camera records for 4 minutes every 4 hours. There's also a live cam for Campbell River, Barkley Canyon Upper Slope.
But none of the
Canyon
lights are on
Fences.
right now, right?
No.
Does that give you the live view, or does that give you the recorded when the lights are on view?
That's a good question. I think it's the recorded when the lights are on view.
Yeah, because if you play that one, for instance, that you're on at Access, does it show you just black, right?
Just black.
And it doesn't record the just black?
No, it just streams it, I think.
I think the link on the website is like the
live stream.
The live stream link from C-Tube.
Yeah, so you might be better off
Going to
going to
C-Tube.
C-Tube because I think the resolution is much better. than the live stream, but I also, that's kind of just what I've indirectly heard.
Yeah, I tried to push people to the C-tube, but
Yeah.
sometimes it can get a bit overwhelming if you're not used to digging through data.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I just remember when I first started going on the website, and it's like, these cameras are all black. What's going on? How are they all broken?
Yeah.
I was like, no, the lights just are off. And then there's nothing you can see. It's always dark down there.
Yeah, we don't want to blind the critters down there.
How are the other comps looking? I guess I can find that out.
What? How's this work?
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
I don't know I could do that. What?
are you going to take control of my station now?
I didn't know I could do that. Okay, the other day I accidentally took control of the nav station, and I started closing things. They shouldn't give me this control. Take it away. There. See, I was on this. No, but this one I can't control.
Probably for the best.
Yeah. I was trying to get to the desktop, so I'm just closing all the nav stuff. Yeah, it was... I don't know, I forget who was on nav, but they were freaking out. I think it was
You were
Rennie.
on a it's actually a computer that's often run by the science team. Nav was currently running it, but
Oh.
it was the
Multi-beam?
orbit computer. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that's often run by the back row, which is why that has the ability to take control.
You're giving Dirk too much power back here.
Yeah, you can't be trusted with multi-beam.
No.
Multi-beam, turn on multi-beam, everyone.
Just give him his single beam fish finder. Did you do that?
Single beam depth sounder, that's all you want.
Sure did.
Cool.
Someone steal my ROV valve.
Johan, don't let anyone take power away from you.
Neat.
Alrighty. Do you want ROV valve here?
Let's put it up there.
Copy that.
I'm going to stop the sonars. I don't need sonars anymore. Yeah, that's Mon 6. We might need... Oh, yeah. That's going to be tough.
I can flip these.
Yeah, that'd be
Bridge
better.
doesn't
Yeah,
have-
that'd be fine.
Copy that. Thank you.
We're going to put it here.
Oh, great.
And we're 5 meters from stopping.
Yeah, roger.
Let's hold. Let's
Yep.
get to 50. We'll
Yep.
hold. We'll not continue up, and then we'll sort this out and then go.
Okay, I'll stop at 50.
Copy that.
Not ready to continue, but you
Deck,
can tell.
deck control. We are all stop at 50 meters. Troubleshooting a problem, so please stand by.
It'll be seconds, but
That copies 50 meters, standing by.
okay. We have all the cameras where we want them. I'm gonna do launch recover salvo now. Video, you ready for that?
Yep, I'm ready, thank you.
Okay, launch recover salvo. Okay, we have that there. I think we're good. You don't need to control that or anything during recovery. We have it on ship auto center, or Atalanta auto center.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Is that good?
Yep.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
Then
so
I
we're on the
think we're
surface.
ready. Is that right? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
My camera's up.
Okay, we're good.
Deck, deck control. We are ready to proceed with recovery.
Deck copies. Break, bridge, deck. Deck bridge. Permission to recover ROVs. Charter to recover ROVs. Thank you, Captain.
Gotta look over here now. I'm looking. Oh,
I'm like,
it's funny how you get so used to it.
yeah. Auto heading off. Oh, I didn't have that up before.
What am I doing? Camera's retracted. Okay, I think I'm happy.
And then let me know when you want to come off the craft. Or are we
I
just
think-
going to let it ride until we just kill everything?
Yeah, I think
This
we
will
can
have
do
to
that.
be reset when we do that, but whatever. You have to power cycle the console when it just like...
If you lose hydraulics?
Yeah, I
Oh, if you
think
lose
so.
comms, yeah.
Yeah.
Roger. I think we should do that. I can power cycle that after you on my way down.
Yeah.
No problem.
I think, anyway. We'll see.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so Roger stopped. Vehicles are lined up pretty good. DP's still happy.
Yep.
Okay.
So last night I normally when the lights are on up at the ROV or of the ship and it's dark out, I always kind of poke my head over the side just to see if there's anything cool happening. And I saw 2 really big squid. They're like almost a meter long, or like, I don't know, 3/4 of a meter.
No way.
Yeah, they're huge.
Did you get any new footage?
No, because I was so excited, so I turned and I called Peter and Doug, and when I got back, they were gone. Never saw them again.
Are you
So-
sure you weren't hallucinating?
Not 100% sure.
All right.
It's whenever you see something you don't
Lost
expect,
us on Herc.
you always kind of
Yeah.
question yourself after.
Looks like I'm in the goal posts.
But keep an eye out on this
Starboard.
Atalanta camera. You might see the
Control deck.
seals.
Herc's a little to starboard.
Nope.
Copy that. Straightening out.
It's a goal. Get out of here.
Yeah, that was
Patrick.
3-pointer.
Yeah, that was dead. That was a 5-hole.
Yeah, it was so cool seeing the seals out and about next to the ship.
In a new RAF.
It's kind of hard sometimes when you, never mind, go off SPL.
All right, here we go. Look at that BSR.
I was just noticing that.
Neat. Maybe I should go back to starboard, Patrick. One more of those, probably.
I got it.
I got it, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go back to ship port.
Oh, a little bit of a dangly, maybe now.
We got dangly?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just a small one.
Deck control.
Go ahead, control.
Be advised we have about 1 foot of dangly.
Copies, 1 foot of dangling.
Us in our technical jargon.
Yeah.
I like not listening to SPL and just talking on it.
Just me anyway.
Yeah, I think everyone else is off.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, lift line's tied on.
Missed the mark.
Are you timing the daisy chain? Nice.
Yeah, I got a little head start. So.
Do you mind if I have a quick peek down with your Zeus for a sec?
Do it, yeah.
All right, we still got the, and it's just that other bit shifted over.
Yeah, just the center, or the loop part.
Okay, I'm gonna tilt up.
Okay. Are we at a wrap or something? What's happening here?
A little extra tape, maybe.
Maybe. The lift line's free. I think it's just daisy chain now.
Yeah.
What am I seeing there?
It goes.
Yeah.
There it is, yep. Good stuff.
Control, deck. Herc is 10 meters from the transom.
Copy, Herc 10 meters from the transom. I always forget to stop the time on the daisy chain.
It's almost like there's other stuff going on. a lot harder to lateral with the 0.5 ship speed.
Control deck, Herc has passed the transom.
Copy, Herc past the transom.
Video, can you tilt down the port camera, please? Thank you. Okay. In bypass.
Control deck, Hercules is out of the water.
Power
Copy
secure.
that, Herc under the water.
Just let him know Johanna, the power is secure.
Copy. Deck control, power is secure.
All right.
Oh, this is fine.
All right, this is the end of our dive. Stay tuned for our next dive. You can get our dive alerts on Ocean_Networks on Instagram and X, formerly known as Twitter, and also follow Nautilus Live on Instagram and EV Nautilus on X for live dive alerts. I believe our next location is Middle Valley, but please stay tuned on our social media to get the most up-to-date updates.